Healthcare providers face similar challenges to the general population and that they're just as vulnerable to mental health difficulties as the everyday person. But given the nature of their work, they often face unique stresses that make them more vulnerable to mental health problems. In particular, they're often working long hours and under a high pressure and responsibility in their role.
Doctors and nurses make life or death decisions on a daily basis, and they face death as a regular part of their work life. Healthcare's witness humanity at its best and its worst, and such experiences lead to emotional injuries at a greater rate than the general community.
The stresses of the job can be difficult to manage for even the most robust of individuals, and healthcare professionals are often stretched between various roles, which requires them to wear a number of different hats. So they're often having to juggle treating a patient, advocating for their patients, but also meeting the demands of their organisation, which can be quite challenging.
Health professionals often work within a team, which definitely has its benefits, but it can also come with its challenges, given the difficult team dynamics that can occur. And this is a common stressor that health professionals present with. Due to the stigma and the concerns around confidentiality, health professionals are less likely to seek professional support through the workplace. There's a greater comfort in seeking therapy outside of the workplace through an independent service. Hi, I'm Amy, Director and Clinical Psychologist at Mindcheck HP.
Hi, I'm Carrie, Director and Clinical Psychologist at Mindcheck HP. So Mindcheck Health Professionals is a private psychology service which is exclusively for health professionals.
We opened Mindcheck HP out of our desire to provide better access to psychological care for our healthcarers. As health professionals ourselves, we understand the stressors and demands that come with being a healthcare provider. On a personal note, I've witnessed firsthand the pressures and expectations that medical professionals face. My partner himself is a doctor, and he's been through his advanced training to become a specialist. And what I've noticed is that there's a lot of fear about speaking up, about the personal struggles that come with trying to achieve. I developed Mindcheck HP to help reduce the stigma around mental health so health professionals don't have to suffer alone.
So I have many friends and colleagues who are health professionals and I've seen the detriment that the long working hours and high responsibility can have on them. And what I've seen is that health professionals are notoriously bad at looking after themselves and particularly looking after their mental health. And I guess part of my reason for wanting to open Mindcheck is to better help them look after themselves, but also help them have a long-term career that they have lots of fulfillment within.
We work with health professionals from all disciplines across all stages of their career, from students all the way to later life career stages.
We provide evidence-based treatment for a range of problems: stress management, career burnout, certainly anxiety issues,
difficulties with performance anxiety, exam-related stress.
Trauma is often another challenge that people face, and this can include trauma in past history, but also trauma within the workplace, such as loss of a patient. That's a common experience, particularly with doctors and nurses.
High achievement and perfectionism is quite common amongst health professionals, and this can have quite an impact on self-esteem when they are struggling with challenges, whether it's in their career or in their personal lives. It's really important for us to be able to create a safe environment so our clients can be able to speak openly about the challenges that they face. We want to be able to support them to create a more balanced and meaningful life.
We provide a range of services, including individual therapy, group-based therapy interventions, professional development and supervision, and workshops and training programs as well.
So there's been growing research on the psychological well-being of health professionals, particularly doctors and nurses. However, greater research is needed to better understand the unique experiences of Australian health professionals. So we're working towards expanding this important area of research. We're focused on collaborating with the local community, with local hospitals, universities, as well as other health organizations, so we can better support them in improving the mental health of their staff.
Health professionals have dedicated their time to helping those in the community, and we want to be there to support them. We're passionate about helping our clients to actualise their goals and achieve satisfaction across all domains of their life, not just their careers.
We know health professionals lead really busy lives, so we've tried to provide flexible options. Health professionals can access our services in person, via the phone, or through video conferencing.
This not only allows us to provide services to people in Brisbane, but also nationwide, so we have a far-reaching service. If you're a healthcare professional and you'd like to learn more about our services, you can contact us through the website, via our phone number or email as well.